So you want to make some line art in Blender? Well, that's actually quite easy. I will do this with a cube, so let's just delete the default cube and add a cube. Okay, and now go to this little add menu and go to grease pencil, and here you'll find different line art objects. If you want line art for your whole scene, just choose the scene thing. For collections, collection line art, and for objects, just object line art. You can change this later. Alright, we can't really see it now, so let's just go to this menu and increase the line radius. Okay, maybe not that much. I usually go with like 0.10. And yeah, you can also make the lines transparent if you want. And if you want to change the color, we need to add to the animation tab. And here is this little color menu, and you can just change the color to everything that you want. So like blue, for example, but I'll leave it on black. And before you render it, make sure that the depth path is enabled. And after that you can render it, of course, and you will see that the line art is there. And yeah, I will show you something that I made with this. So yeah, that's a little project. Just render it. It also works with cycles, by the way, so yeah, I think that it looks really cool. This is the compositing setup, and if you want to copy the shader, it's a really simple one. And yeah, I also used this line art for it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If that's the case, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.